Hello and welcome. So let's just try to make a voice command operated web browser, or we can say it's AI based web browser. So let me just show you how it will look like. So it's a kind of a web browser. You can control it through your voice. So let me just quickly show you how we can use it. So this is our web browser. Now I will click on say something. Python. So right now
searching for Python.
So as soon as I say Python, it has searched for Python and you can see a couple of links. So now I would just try to click on some links. So I would click on this guy, python.org. So I can see it is working fine. Now I can go back by just saying that going back, or let's say go to previous page. So let me just say go to back.
Going back.
So you can see it is going back by just my voice. I can go to a next page by saying that go to next page, or let's say go to forward. So I would just say go next.
Going forward.
So you can see it has gone to the next page. So here next page means whatever we had selected earlier. Okay. Now again I can say go to back.
Going back.
So that is working fine. And if I want to refresh this page, I can say refresh this page or something. So I would just say reload.
Reloading the page.
That is working fine. I can say please reload the page.
Reloading the page.
So that also works. Now I can say search for, let's say, Google.
Search for, let's say, Google.
So whatever you're saying, it has searched for that. Okay. So I would just say JavaScript.
Searching for JavaScript.
Okay, so that is working fine. So let's just try to make this AI based browser from the next video. So we'll see you there. Thank you.